Here we go then, the first session of the day. Welcome to the Regal Crane Hire Championship round number 6 of the Auskart Racing's Lateside Championship. And here we go with the first session. The Dylan Skipper cart heads around into the Regal Crane Hires complex. And then we'll come back towards us and head down to the bottom, to the right-hander at the bottom of the hill. And then turn right and come back up the Chaos Karting main straightaway. So with Dylan being on his own, this will be definitely a time trial, and it will be attempt to get the fastest lap he can throughout the day. Here we go then, puts on the brakes, and the officials usher him up to the start line. The green flag is ready, and we go, green flag, and away we go. Dylan Skipper then heads up the hill and puts the pedal to the metal and heads off up to turn number 1. At the end of Chaos Karting, goes out of sight momentarily, then that green helmet reappears as he goes down. Remember, this is track B complex, and into the Regal Crane Hire complex he goes. Then he's going to come back towards us past that stack of tyres, past the second stack, and through the left-hander, and heading down to the bottom of the circuit. Then the Wynnum Haulage number 66 cart. I've seen him a couple of times in the recent past, once at Dolby when he went there with the beginners class, and now he comes up Chaos Karting up the hill, puts the power down, familiarises himself with the condition of the track, and now he's full bore, and we'll see what times come up as he goes over the line for the first time. No times have shown just yet, so we'll just wait for him to hopefully record one next time he comes around. Otherwise, I'm going to get on a stopwatch. If there's no time next time, I'm starting the stopwatch. I'm going to time him myself. Through he comes then, through the Regal Crane Hires complex. Heads down again, through that left-hander cautiously now. The big long right sweeper at the bottom of the hill. Heads onto Chaos Karting, the main straightaway, went up over the hill. Breaks the timing beacon with a 1:08.579. That's, I think, 2 laps, so it's doubled up on him. There's no way he was that slow, so we'll see what he does this time round. This should be the quick one. Through the Regal Crane Hires complex he goes, 2 rights, then this left, missing those tyres and just getting as close to the edge of that circuit as he can. Puts the power down once more, pedal to the metal, turns a bit of fuel into noise, and through the bottom sweeper and heads up the hill then. The Wynnum Haulage number 66 goes over the line. What does he do this time? 38.528. So he's into the 38-second laps. Now we're going to monitor it and see if he can get lower than a 38. He's got to get a half a second off it so far. Down he comes then into the Regal Crane Hires complex. It's going to get a little bit hectic with the next class. Remember, there's going to be plenty more karts on track. So it's going to get a bit wild and a bit woolly. But in the meantime, Dylan has got the entire circuit to himself and is enjoying just following those race lines that he wants to follow. Over the line he goes, does another one. What does he do? 38.5 last time, 39 this time, so just slowed up a little bit. Up the top of the hill then, and now again back down that sharp drop into the Regal's Crane Hire complex. Back he'll come towards me. Heading now down the short Torini scoot, heading to the sweeper. We'll call that a Torini back straight for today. And we're going to have the top of the hill. We might just call that the other engine manufacturer. We'll see. We'll make it up as we go along today. We can stick to Regal Crane Hire and stick to Chaos Karting. But as for the rest of the circuit, we'll make it up as we see fit. So Dylan Skipper, 35.228 now was the quickest time he's done. So Dylan getting quicker. Can he get to a 34 though? Down Torini. Now he's into the sweeper. On to Chaos Karting. Up the hill he goes. Flat out past the tower. Heads up there into turn 1. 36 seconds that time, a little bit slower. Down he goes then. Into The Regal Crane Hire Complex once more. What can he do this time? Has he got to get these corners exactly right? Down Torini he goes. Time trial for him this one. And through the sweeper and onto chaos karting. We'll see what the time is this time. Maybe was it quicker? Let's have a look. 36 last time, 37 this time. So he's slowed down again a little bit more. Not what he wants to do. So Dylan, best time so far today of a 35.228. Dylan Skipper again trying to better his time through Regal Crane Hire onto Torini, just twitching that steering wheel as he goes down there in towards the sweeper. Up chaos karting now, and the white flag is waved, so he's got one to go. One final lap remaining. That was 7. This is the 8th lap. 35.228, the quickest time, and 36 second last time. And Dylan Skipper in the number 66 Wynnum Haulage green cart will come around and complete the session. Round he goes then. Again, flat out down Torini. Into the sweeper then. And now the checkered flag waves. That is end of the session for Dylan Skipper. Completes the session with a 36.070, and that was a quickest time of 35.228 for Dylan. So that was first session of the day then. Well done to Dylan. Alrighty.